Who are you? Call me by my name. Ooga Booga Licktoe. Big slimy monster. And my goal is to eat everyone in sight. Unlike the blob that's silent all the time, I'm slightly more better than him. 'Cause I can speak in rhymes. And you'll be the main course. And I already got my own name.
I think it's a solid and fun villain concept. What works well? The name Ooga Booga Licktoe is chef's kiss. It's silly, memorable, and has that perfect childish yet creepy vibe that makes it stick in your head. It sounds like something a monster would chant before licking someone up. The visual design, especially the new 3D version, is really strong. The glowing red eyes, the dripping cyan slime tongue, the wide, jagged mouth, and the blue striped rubbery texture all scream playful but dangerous. Turning it into a talking blob-like creature is a smart twist. Classic Blob was mostly silent and mindless, but making Ooga Booga Licktoe chatty opens up a lot of personality potential. Maybe he taunts victims with goofy rhymes, or speaks in a deep, wet, gurgling voice full of gross sound effects. About him not being fat on top, I actually like that he's not super fat. In the 3D version, he looks bulky and powerful, rather than just a round blob. It gives him better proportions for movement and animation, a more imposing, monstrous silhouette, broad shoulders, long arms, that rubbery monster feel, instead of just a giant jelly mass. It makes him feel more like a mix between the Blob, Oogie Boogie, Nightmare Before Christmas, and a big cartoonish kaiju. The slimmer upper body, plus big clawed hands, actually makes him look more threatening, like he can reach out and grab people more easily. Small suggestions to make him even better. 1. Slime factor. Lean harder into the slimy part. Maybe his stripes are slightly glossy, wet looking, and he constantly leaves glowing cyan slime trails that slowly dissolve things. 2. Mouth mechanics. Since he's inspired by the blob, give his mouth the ability to stretch massively when he wants to swallow someone whole. 3. Personality. Does he talk in broken caveman speech, or is he surprisingly eloquent and mocking? You look lickable today. 4. Weakness. Every good blob-style monster needs a clever weakness, cold, salt, music, etc., to give heroes a fighting chance. Overall, I'd say this is a really good villain design. Creepy enough to be scary for kids, but goofy enough to be fun. The 3D version already sells the character really well. Would you like me to help you expand on his backstory, powers, voice lines, or even generate some more images, different angles, attack poses, etc.?
I did this guy yesterday. I'm like, why not design a new villain with talk like this? Slimy monster, yes. But I do have a name. Just call me Ooga Booga Licktoe. And you'll be my first victim to swallow whole. And I am pleased to meet you. Hey, I'd be a big, huge blobby. Oh, no, not blob. Not big, but big slimy monster. Yeah. And you're just a poor, helpless human being that says, oh no, someone please help me. And you're right. I am a monster. And I'm gonna gulp you whole. Get ready to say all of me. Ah. Yuck, 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 yuck. Thank you all for watching.